All right, number 8. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to f of x over g of x for x is greater than 3? Okay, and they give us the f of x function is x cubed minus 9x. G of x is x squared minus 2x minus 3. All right, so they want f of x over g of x. So we are pretty much dividing the two function, and f of x function goes to the top. So it'll be x cubed minus 9x over g function is x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, so to solve from here, we can actually factor this thing. Okay, so on the top is we can factor out, we check this, we have a x as a common factor between x cubed and 9x. We can pull out an x first. We factor out x, we get x squared minus 9 on the top. Okay, on the bottom, we have x squared minus 2x minus 3. So this will be, factor it will be x, and then the last term is -3. So we're looking for two number multiplied to be -3 and add to be the middle number, which is -2. So it should be -3 and +1 there. Okay, and that will be the factors on the bottom. And then just recognize, we have to recognize this on the top, the x squared minus 9, we can actually factor it one more step. Okay, this is called the difference of squares, because x squared is a perfect square and 9 is a perfect square. And they're subtracting each other, so it'll be the difference of squares. So we can factor that as x times x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so x squared minus 9, we can factor it as x minus 3 times x plus 3. All right, and then on the bottom, we still have x minus 3 times x plus 1. So then here, what happens is we have the same factor on the top and the bottom. The x minus 3, we have that in common. So we can actually go and cancel it out. Okay, so this will give us x times x plus 3 over x plus 1. And that's as far as we can simplify. Okay, and we do have that as the answer choice, which is letter D for question A. Okay, so a question like this, we can try to factor, and then usually something will cancel, and so we can simplify.